mga kawangwang, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So ngayon, ang gawin natin ngayon ay ang scary prank na naman. Hindi yung siren prank kasi tapos na yon. At ngayon na naman ay scary prank sound effects. Kaya nag-search ako sa YouTube. At may speaker. At dahil nandun sila sa kabilang bahay, sila Diko at Sophia, papuntahin natin sila dito sa bahay. Let's see what's the reaction of their face. At baka na naman, tatakbo na naman sila. Kaya, second prank, ay pang third prank na natin to mga kawangwang. Yeah. Yung una, Oreo prank. Yung pangalawa, siren prank. At ngayon, scary sound effects na naman. Scary sound. So, update ko lang mamaya. Papuntahin ko muna sila dito. Yeah, let's go!
A few moments later.
Come on! Welcome to my vlog. Yeah. So, what's your name?
My name is Diko.
And you?
Sophia.
We are back, guys.
My cell phone is so beautiful. My video.
Why so beautiful? You know what is Halloween? Today is, tomorrow is Halloween. It's spooky season.
This fun. I like fun.
Why? Why do you like fun?
I'm a fun.
Fun collection. Fun collection.
Fun collection. It's my dress is butterfly.
What?
Delete something.
If I got the way. So,
Delete na. Delete.
yes.
Delete.
Mm.
Delete ang video game. Huwag kang pagdunag ang stress. Kasi ako kayo sige. Sama sino? Isa ha?
Anak. Wait for it.
Ako tulad Diko.
Wait, let's go here. Dance. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Bugatti.
What the hell was that?
It's not very catchy, Dave, but come this way. It's all very simple. You're gonna come up the stairs.
What's that? What's that thing? Oh my god! It's so scary.
Okay.
Yeah. Why?
It's so scary.
Why it's so scary? Let's dance. Hi. Look. Diko. What? Look. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, it's off. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, mana? On my phone. Yeah. So, guys,
Okay.
it's so scary, yeah.
Okay.
yeah.
Bye. See you soon.
No, wait. Just say I'm so scared.
Yes.
See your face. Here, down. So, Diko, what do you feel? Do you feel nervous? Yeah.
My name is Zombie and Sophia sees skeleton and this is a bat Louie. And this is a bat Louie.
See, Diko, thank you guys for watching. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss another video. See you soon.
Bye bye.
Ari.
Kalimut si you.